The leadership wake-up call. Improvement begins when leadership feels discomfort. ABC Manufacturing Managing Director reviewed quarterly numbers. Productivity down by 6%, overtime costs increased by 18%, customer complaints up by 22%, inventory holding cost rising steadily. The root cause analysis showed excessive motion, waiting, and searching. Classical lean waste. We conducted a 5S awareness workshop for production supervisors, their maintenance team, their inventory store staff, line operators, and initial reaction was, "Sir, we are already too busy." But after a Gemba walk and spaghetti diagram exercise, leadership saw operators walking 1.2 km per shift, 30% floor space occupied by unused material, no fixed storage location. The decision was made: 5S will not be a housekeeping activity, it will be a management system. Leadership commitment became viable through weekly Gemba walks, budget allocation, 5S steering committee formation. So, transformation begins when leaders stop tolerating waste. The moral of the today discussion: transformation begins when the leaders stop tolerating waste.